Tonight, the co-main event of the evening is scheduled for 3 5-minute rounds in the heavyweight division. We got a combined weight of 500 pounds. Referee in charge of the action when the bell rings, William Book Walter. Standing to my right, weighing in a solid 243.3 pounds, fighting out of Endicott, New York, Paul Holt. Standing across the ring, his adversary, looking determined, weighing in at 252 solid pounds, fighting out of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Anyanwu.
Will, Dr. Dave's all fired up tonight here.
Killing it as always, and thanks a lot for that adjustment earlier today, Dr. Dave. If you're in need of a chiropractor, go see Dr. Dave Sarnoff. He'll adjust you nice and make you feel awesome.
Protect yourself at all times. Strike cleanly. If you'd like to touch gloves, do so now. When the bell rings, you're fighting.
Referee Bill Buckwalter bringing both fighters to the center of the
500
cage,
pounds
giving
of
them
co-main
their
event action.
instructions.
And I'm going to go out on a limb and say this is not going to the distance, Mike.
Anyanwu, black shorts. Paul Holt with all the tattoos. They come out swinging immediately.
And if any of these shots land, somebody's going down. Big
Zoo
overhand right by Zoo.
right.
You can just feel the tension in here, Mike. This crowd's going crazy.
A lot of adrenaline going through the veins of both fighters. And Zoo immediately shoots for that single.
Good takedown defense by Holt.
And this is what Paul Holt said that Zoo was going to do to him. Rush in, grapple with him, grab a hold of him, try to make it a ground fight. See if Paul Holt can create some distance and land his big strikes and get the knockout.
He needs to work that right hand and get a second underhook there to control this position and prevent Zoo from dropping down levels and getting that double leg.
Even though Zoo's the heavier fighter, Paul Holt's the bigger fighter.
Nice knee by Holt up against the cage.
Only 1 minute in here, the first round. Anyanwu pressing Paul Holt up against the cage. This is a very taxing part of the fight here when they're in the clinch up against the cage, especially in the heavyweight division. It takes a lot out of you.
And this is exactly how Zoo wanted this fight to go from the beginning.
Yeah, I think Zoo's fine here, Will. He's fine with this position. Smothering Paul Holt, taking away Paul Holt's biggest weapon, which is his big right hand.
Referee's right in Zoo's ear, telling him he's got to work unless he's going to break him up and bring him back to the center of the cage.
Paul Holt creating space, spinning off the cage. Holt trying to land a jab, misses, and Zoo misses with a counter right hand.
And Zoo's breathing out of his mouth already. He might be tired. Big knee from Holt.
Again, Zoo closes the distance, and as he does it, Paul Holt lands another knee to the midsection.
Very impressive Holt's takedown defense so far.
Again, they separate. They're both in the center of the cage here.
Oh, he's out on his feet, Mike. He's out on his feet.
Paul Holt wobbled.
He's trying to recover.
Wobbled. He's trying to recover.
Big knee by Zoo.
He's trying to recover.
And Paul Holt's a warrior. A lot of guys would have been down and out
He's got the guillotine. He's got the guillotine. See if he can finish here, Will. Paul Holt's in a lot of trouble.
Zoo's going for it, too.
He might be out here, Will.
He's fighting back.
Paul Holt. He's trying. Oh, he gets out of it.
He's got to be on wobbly legs still, though, Mike.
He's got to keep his hands up, Will.
The striker got caught.
He did. Zoo trying to land another big overhand right.
And if Zoo's got it in the gas tank, I think he can drop him again.
Big left hook that misses.
Woo!
Paul Holt looks exhausted, Will.
We knew this was going to be excitement. It's been nothing but that since the start, Mike.
A minute and 40 left to go in the first.
These guys
big
are
right hand that lands on
now.
the chin. Another right hand by Zoo.
Never thought we'd see Zoo win in this striking battle, Mike.
Paul Holt is on wobbly legs, Will.
Oh, Zoo caught him again.
Referee looking to step in soon, but he's letting the fight go
Paul
on.
Holt has a serious chin.
Holt's got to keep his hands up, Will. He's got to keep his hands up. And Zoo, smelling the finish, is going for it. Paul Holt coming back.
Wow, Holt's coming forward now.
Big right hand to the body by Holt.
These two heavyweights are just throwing down right now, Mike. Throwing down. And they're both tired.
Paul Holt just going on instincts right now, Will.
Fight
And
starts to
Zoo taking a break. He's exhausted as well.
This is awesome.
What a great heavyweight bout here in the co-main event of Cage Fury Fighting Championship 29.
Heavyweights electrifying the crowd here at Valley Forge Casino.
Wow, Will, Paul Holt was out on his feet. I thought Zoo was going to finish him.
I think both of these guys are content to be in the clinch right here and take a little breather.
Paul the Phoenix Holt showing a lot of heart there. He landed a couple shots.
There are not too many guys that could have taken any of those 3 or 4 shots and stayed standing.
Holt needs to get some space. Another right hand that lands by Zoo.
He's on wobbly legs still.
And this is where cardio plays such a huge role in mixed martial arts. Both guys are exhausted, they're tired, they're hurt.
Ref's inside telling him he's got to fight now.
Whoa!
End of the first round. What an amazing round of mixed